Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AM Dynamics. Today we've got an exciting project lined up for you. We're going to take a regular old-school toy truck and turn it into a fully functional remote control truck. It's going to be a fun and rewarding DIY project, so let's jump right into it. So, here's the toy truck we'll be working with today. Now let's start by disassembling the toy truck. Carefully remove the body and take out any screws holding the chassis together. It's a classic, simple toy that's been lying around. We'll be giving it a new life with some basic electronics. Before we get started, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. Grab a pen and paper because you might want to make a quick shopping list. Small gear DC motors, battery pack, remote control module, wires. Next, we're going to add our DC motors to the back wheels. Make sure they're securely attached and aligned.
Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him. Instead of searching,
use the hot glue gun for a sturdy hold.
A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing.
Time to bring in the motor driver board. Connect the motors to the board using wires. This board will allow us to control the direction and speed of our truck. Give us the power to steer and control our remote control truck.
Sleep on the scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't it.
Now let's power up our creation. Connect the battery pack to the motor driver board. Make sure everything is secure and the wires are neatly organized.
Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him.
And there you have it. We've successfully transformed a simple toy truck into a remote control marvel. Give it a test run and enjoy the fruits of your DIY labor. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting projects, and leave a comment down below about what you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy tinkering.